Hello, good evening. My name is Santo Adrián Ramírez Batista. I am 33 years old. I am from Dominican Republic. I live in Salinas, Paraná. I am a teacher. I have a small family. I live with my wife and my children. My wife name is Santa Rosalia Carrasco. My daughter is name Adri, and my son is Jeremy. My daughter is 3 years old, and my son is mom. My color favorite is rice. My favorite food is fruit. I like music and soccer. I don't like work. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I go to work store at 7:30 a.m. I study English and French. I go I go home at 4 p.m. I do speak with my friends. I go to bed at 9 p.m. I want to travel to New York. I want to learn more.